Good morning, my viewers and subscribers. Today I am going to prepare some callaloo and saltfish, fried dumpling, and some rye plantain. So now I'm going to get my callaloo cleaned up. So guys, this is how I strip the outer skin of the callaloo so it don't tough. Clean it up nicely. And I already wash it in some salt water a couple of times. So guys, the salt water get rid of all the bugs, any little thing between the leaves. So guys, I finished strip my callaloo, so now I'm gonna cut up. So guys, here is my ingredients for my fried dumpling. So I have 1 tablespoon of butter. I have 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I have a tablespoon of baking powder. And now I'm gonna add about half teaspoon of salt. And guys, and 2 cups of flour. I'm gonna mix this in well. So now I'm going to run the butter through my finger until I get it looking like breadcrumbs. Very quick and easy recipe, guys. You know we Jamaican love fried dumpling already. Add my water. And for this, guys, you don't want to over mix it, get tough, so you have to be gentle. You don't want to work the dough too much, guys. And if it's a little bit soft, it's okay. You can always add a little bit more flour. So now, you can see dough looking nice and lovely. I'm going to set it aside and get started on my callaloo and saltfish. So guys, now I'm going to cut up my seasoning, my vegetable for my callaloo. I have some onion, now I have some yellow sweet pepper or bell pepper. Cut up some green sweet pepper also. And some red onion. Some tomato. Can't forget the good old spatchy. And I have one garlic. Gonna dice up also. So now I'm going to clean up my saltfish. So guys, I already have my oil in my pot. I have 2 pegs of garlic to flavor the oil. Now I'm going to remove them and add my vegetable. I'm gonna add my onions. Looks beautiful, smell nice. So guys, I'm gonna add in my saltfish. Now I'm gonna add my callaloo. Want to smell this, guys? Smells so good. Bursting with a lot of flavors. So now guys, I'm gonna add some black pepper, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, about a tablespoon, and some butter. I'm gonna mix this in, cover it and allow it to steam. And then we're gonna get straight into my fried dumplings. Guys, now I'm going to make my fried dumpling. This is how you want it to look, guys, sticky. So all you have to do is put it into little flour and form whatever shape you like. You can overwork the dumpling now. So guys, my dumpling is coming on nicely. Look how beautiful this looks. Nice and fluffy. Pretty. Very pretty. This is what I'm looking for, golden brown. So now guys, I'm gonna remove my fried dumpling. Look how beautiful these look, guys. Very pretty. So guys, I am going to peel my plantain. So guys, I'm going to add my plantain into the same oil that I fry my dumpling in. So guys, my callaloo is finished steamed. Callaloo and saltfish. Look how beautiful this looks. All gorgeousness going on right there. And my plantain, as you can see, is still fried. And the next time you see me, I'll be eating my breakfast. My viewers and subscribers, so breakfast is served. Look how beautiful this look. Looks delicious and smell amazing. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember say, we say Jamaica. See you on the video. See you on the next video. Bye.